Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Samsung laptops. We're talking about a legacy, a journey through time, checking out how Samsung laptops have evolved over the years. From their very first attempt to their latest and greatest, we're gonna unpack it all. So buckle up, get comfortable, and let's explore the evolution of Samsung laptops. Alright, let's kick things off back in 1991, a time when the tech world was buzzing with innovation and new possibilities. Samsung, not a name you'd immediately associate with laptops back then, was primarily known for its consumer electronics and home appliances. But in 1991, they dropped their first ever model, the Sense 800, marking their entry into the competitive laptop market. This wasn't just Samsung dipping their toes in the water, they were making a bold statement. They came out swinging with a powerful machine for its time, aiming to compete with the best in the market. I'm talking about an Intel 386 processor, which was quite advanced back then, and up to 8 megabytes of RAM. Yeah, you heard that right, megabytes, which was a big deal in the early 90s. Plus, it offered a hefty hard drive option of 120 megabytes, providing ample storage for the time. This thing was a beast, especially considering most folks were still rocking desktops that were far less portable. The design was classic 90s, thick and bulky by today's standards, but it was built to last. But hey, it had a certain charm that only vintage tech can offer. The Sense 800 was all about performance, designed to handle demanding tasks of its era. It even had a built-in trackball, a precursor to the touchpad, which was pretty innovative for the time. This feature was quite slick and ahead of its time, showing Samsung's commitment to innovation. Now, the Sense 800 might not have set the world on fire, but it was a significant step for Samsung. It was a statement that Samsung was here in the laptop game, and they meant business. This marked the beginning of Samsung's journey in the laptop market, a journey filled with innovation and technological advancements. This was just the beginning of a long line of innovation, setting the stage for future developments, and pushing the boundaries of what a laptop could be, paving the way for the sleek, powerful machines we use today. Fast forward to the early 2000s, a time of rapid technological advancement, and Samsung was right there in the thick of it. The Sense Pro 500, launched in 2001, was their answer to the demand for more portable, yet powerful laptops. The Sense Pro 500 was all about balance. It sported a sleek, magnesium alloy design that was both lightweight and durable. Under the hood, it packed some serious punch with an Intel Pentium 3 processor, up to 512 megabytes of RAM, and a spacious hard drive, at least for the time. But it wasn't just about specs. Samsung was focusing on the overall user experience. The Sense Pro 500 boasted a vibrant display, a comfortable keyboard, and a battery life that could actually get you through a good chunk of your workday. This was a laptop designed for the modern professional, someone who was always on the go, but still needed a reliable and capable machine. The Sense Pro 500 was a hit, proving that Samsung could adapt and innovate to meet the evolving needs of its users. This era marked a significant shift in how people interacted with technology. Laptops like the Sense Pro 500 became integral to daily life, blending seamlessly into both work and leisure. Samsung's commitment to innovation and continuous improvement set the stage for future technological advancements. As we look back, it's clear that the early 2000s were just the beginning of an exciting journey into the digital age. Now let's talk about innovation. In 2006, Samsung dropped a bombshell with the Q1, one of the first ultra-mobile PCs, or UMPCs. This was a whole new category of laptops, super compact and designed for ultimate portability. The Q1 was tiny, I'm talking about a 7-inch touchscreen display, a full keyboard crammed into that small frame, and a stylus for input. It ran a full version of Windows XP so you could do real work on this thing, and it even had a built-in camera for video calls. This was way ahead of its time. Imagine trying to explain the concept of a tablet PC back in 2006. The Q1 was a glimpse into the future of mobile computing, and while it wasn't a mainstream hit, it solidified Samsung's reputation as a true innovator in the tech space. Around the same time as the Q1, Samsung was also killing it in the ultra-portable laptop game with the X20. This thing was designed for people who were constantly on the move and needed a laptop that wouldn't weigh them down. The X20 was seriously thin and light for its time. It had this sleek minimalist design that just screamed portability. But don't let its size fool you. This machine was no slouch when it came to performance. It packed an Intel Core Duo processor, a decent amount of RAM, and a fast hard drive. It also had a really nice keyboard for such a small laptop, and the battery life was surprisingly good. The X20 was all about no compromises. You got the portability without sacrificing performance, and that resonated with a lot of people. It was a popular choice for students and professionals alike, who needed a reliable and lightweight machine. Now let's jump to 2011, where Samsung really stepped up their design game with the Series 9 laptop. This thing was a head-turner. It had this incredibly thin and light design, crafted from a single piece of aluminum, giving it a premium look and feel. But it wasn't just about looks. The Series 9 packed some serious power with the latest Intel processors, fast SSD storage, and a beautiful high-resolution display. Samsung really focused on the details with this one, from the backlit keyboard to the responsive trackpad. The Series 9 was all about making a statement. It was a laptop that exuded style and sophistication, while still delivering top-notch performance. It showed that Samsung was serious about competing with the best in the business, and they weren't afraid to take risks with their designs. As we entered the era of cloud computing, Samsung jumped on the Chromebook bandwagon with the Chromebook Series 3. This was a game-changer in the budget laptop market. Chromebooks with their Chrome OS were all about simplicity and affordability, and the Series 3 embodied that perfectly. It was lightweight, had a long battery life, and offered a smooth user experience thanks to the streamlined Chrome OS. Now, this wasn't a powerhouse by any means, but it wasn't meant to be. The Chromebook Series 3 was for students, casual users, and anyone who needed a reliable machine for everyday tasks like browsing, emailing, and light document editing. And let me tell you, it was a massive hit. The Chromebook Series 3 proved that you didn't need to spend a fortune to get a decent laptop experience. In 2013, Samsung was back at it again, pushing the boundaries of what a laptop could do with the ATI VBook 9. This was their flagship Ultrabook, and it was packed with cutting-edge features. The ATI VBook 9 was all about performance and portability. It boasted a stunning high-resolution display, a powerful Intel Core i7 processor, and a super-fast SSD. It was also incredibly thin and light, making it the perfect companion for professionals on the go. But Samsung didn't stop there. The ATI VBook 9 also featured a unique hinge design that allowed the screen to rotate 180 degrees, laying flat on a table. This, combined with its touchscreen display, provided a versatile user experience, adapting to different work styles. The ATI VBook 9 was a testament to Samsung's commitment to innovation. It was a laptop that seamlessly blended power, portability, and versatility, setting a new standard for premium Ultrabooks. Fast forward to 2017, and Samsung was catering to the growing community of creators with the Notebook 9 Pro. This laptop was designed for those who demanded the best in performance and versatility. The Notebook 9 Pro was a true powerhouse, packing the latest Intel Core i7 processors, dedicated graphics for handling demanding creative tasks, and a stunning 4K display that brought colors to life. And to top it off, it featured a 360-degree hinge, transforming from a laptop to a tablet in an instant. But the real game-changer was the inclusion of Samsung's S Pen. This wasn't just a stylus, it was a precision instrument for artists, designers, and note-takers. The S Pen offered pressure sensitivity, palm rejection, and a natural writing experience that rivaled pen and paper. The Notebook 9 Pro was a hit among creative professionals, offering a powerful and versatile platform for bringing their ideas to life. Now, let's talk about a true game-changer, the Galaxy Book Flex. This wasn't just a laptop, it was a glimpse into the future of computing. Released in 2019, the Galaxy Book Flex was one of the first laptops to feature a foldable display. That's right, you could fold this thing in half, seamlessly transitioning from a traditional laptop to a tablet-like device. The display itself was a marvel, a vibrant QLED panel that delivered stunning visuals, whether you were working on a presentation or watching a movie. But the innovation didn't stop there. The Galaxy Book Flex also featured a built-in S Pen, wireless power share, allowing you to charge other key-enabled devices, and an incredibly slim and lightweight design. This was Samsung at its finest, pushing the boundaries of technology and design. The Galaxy Book Flex wasn't just a laptop, it was a statement, a testament to Samsung's relentless pursuit of innovation. And finally, we arrive at the pinnacle of Samsung's laptop journey, at least for now, the Galaxy Book Pro 360. This laptop takes everything we loved about the Galaxy Book Flex and cranks it up to 11. The Galaxy Book Pro 360 boasts a stunning AMOLED display, delivering incredibly vibrant colors and deep blacks. It's powered by the latest Intel Evo platform, ensuring blazing fast performance and long battery life. And of course, it wouldn't be a true Galaxy Book without the S Pen, which has been further refined for even greater precision and responsiveness. But what truly sets the Galaxy Book Pro 360 apart is its design. It's incredibly thin and light, yet incredibly durable thanks to its aluminum construction. And the 360-degree hinge allows you to effortlessly switch between laptop and tablet modes, making it the ultimate device for both productivity and entertainment. Whether you're working on a project, streaming your favorite shows, or sketching out ideas, this laptop adapts to your needs seamlessly. The Galaxy Book Pro 360 is the culmination of Samsung's decades-long journey in the laptop world. From the early days of basic functionality to today's cutting-edge technology, Samsung has consistently pushed the envelope. It's a laptop that embodies innovation, design, and performance, bringing together the best of what Samsung has to offer, setting a new standard for what a premium laptop can be. The Galaxy Book Pro 360 is not just a device, it's a statement of excellence and a glimpse into the future of computing. So there you have it, a journey through the evolution of Samsung laptops. From their humble beginnings with the Sense 800 to the cutting-edge Galaxy Book Pro 360, Samsung has consistently pushed the boundaries of what a laptop can be. They've innovated, they've experimented, and they've delivered some truly remarkable devices along the way. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more tech content. Let us know in the comments which Samsung laptop is your favorite. See you in the next video.